Yo, what's up guys? We're back from Florida. Ever since we rode that track in Florida in Punta Gorda, we wanted to try out another motocross track. So we're here in Brookfield, Massachusetts at mx23. It's a local practice track to us. Yeah, we're gonna try it out. We got the YZ250F and the YZ250X. So we got 3 bikes to switch between, and it should be a pretty fun day. So we're gonna get geared up, get out there. Well, I couldn't find my jersey, so I made the mistake of showing up with a t-shirt and a hoodie. They wouldn't let me ride in the t-shirt, so I was in the hoodie, but I'm so freaking hot. I ended up buying this jersey, so now I'm all matching. Something that breathes a little better, because it's pretty warm today. So I'm gonna go out there, do a couple practice laps, get the feel for the track, and yeah, hopefully try to get a little faster and faster. But a couple sketch jumps out there. There's a couple big tabletops that are nice. So I just gotta figure out what's what and then pick up the pace. Definitely a little weird. No engine braking. Thing just wants to fly into the corners. Jump's a little sketchy. Don't want to hit that too fast. I'll be in trouble. This one's a little sketch too, right here. This one's good though. Most air I got yet. Now that I'm getting more comfortable with the track, I'm going to bring the TM back out there, try the 2-stroke again, and I feel myself picking up some speed, but still riding pretty cautiously out here. Not a motocross guy. Alright, me and John are going to go out here together. We got the 252 strokes. He's got the YZ250X.
Hey, is that all oil there before like that?
me get a shot of Jono jumping here. He's coming around in a minute. He's really taken to the motocross more because up until now, he's never really been like comfortable jumping at all. So when we went out to a motocross track and I saw him jumping, I was like, hell yeah. Finally, like something got him pumped about it, you know? Gas station sandwich. In the cooler it goes. Be cool to come with more people. You can just sit here, hang out for a lot of the day, go out, ride a few laps, come back, bring food out here. Probably even bring like a little radio, some tunes and shit. So we're digging it.
I heard somebody.
Here comes a pupper.
I heard somebody ripping up.
Come here, pup.
You smell the food?
Who smells your sandwich? Come here.
What's up?
Hi. Come here, buddy. You don't want to get pet? Huh? You a big boy, huh? Yeah.